Hi friends, Little Village Homestead doing some pumpkin decorations and Halloween.
Come on. What is it? We're recording. Nene, come here.
Sadie.
Come on. Stay out here.
She's right over there.
That's all right. Stay here. We're going to put our pumpkin.
Hi friends, we're back.
Hi.
Hi.
And what are we doing?
Decorating.
For what?
For Halloween.
There we go. Is that where Jeepers Creepers is going to land?
Yeah. I hate creepers. Let me see.
Oh, jeez, I got you.
Take a picture.
Mm-mm.
We got that done. Hang on. These are going to stay here.
That's old. Can you cut that thing off?
No, that's all right. Look at how pretty that is with the corn. That's going to be pretty with your decorated pumpkins. Where's your pumpkin?
In there.
You better go get your pumpkins. Sadie, put your pumpkin up there by it.
Where?
Wherever you want it to go.
Slipped on a pen.
Slipped on a pen?
I slipped on
Put
it.
it on your desk. Oh, look at how cute. They put it anywhere you want it to go over here by the stalk. You got to move it. No, not there. Up here by the stalk.
Well, I put mine right there.
Well, we could probably put one of these over here on that side, and then put one up here. Now we got all the little ones to decorate.
I have to get down. I'm decorating. Jackie.
They'll fall off in there. You got to keep them down here.
Mama,
Yeah, you got to keep them all down here. No.
So, what do you want me to do with this?
Yep, all through in there.
Nana, what do you
All
want
in
me
there.
to do with this?
Hang it in the corn stalk, Tony.
Perfect spot.
Can't even see it.
Yeah. I thought that was for the eat.
Oh, those aren't to eat. You silly.
Look at what's there.
Okay, well, we can put a few of them up here. Put a few of them around.
I'm gonna take this peek.
Look, I got a couple of them up here on these. There we go.
Mama.
There we
Mama.
go.
Mama.
Mhm.
One way.
No, it's going to fall off there. It will fall off here. We could, no, it doesn't have enough of a stem on it to hang it in the stalk.
What about this one?
Yeah, just set it over. Set it right there. Move it. Right.
Yeah,
we
Nana,
go.
I can hang.
Nene.
Nana, I can hang.
Okay.
Look, come over here and look. I can hang.
No, it will fall off in the wind. And, it should stay there. Yeah.
There.
you go.
Mama, don't Halloween.
Just about.
In the morning?
Stay in there.
No, not in the
How do
morning.
you like that? Does that look good?
Mm-hmm.
Does that look good for our fall?
What about we do for the,
Okay,
spider
get up
webs?
there on the porch so you can tell all
Spider
our
webs.
friends thank you.
spider webs? Spider webs.
Tell them thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.